I'm Genevieve Taylor and this is Bristol Fire School. So today's film is all about explaining the differences between meat protein and fish protein and why that makes a difference. Meat and fish are both made of proteins, fat and water, but how they're built is completely different. And that's why we need to cook them differently. Meat proteins are long fibres. Think a bundle of spaghetti. So what you get is a lot of long protein fibres joined together with connective tissue to give you a muscle. That's what gives us the grain in meat. So you can see the grain quite clearly on this hanger steak, this omelette. It's quite an easy grain to see. So tougher cuts like shoulder or leg have more connective tissue, so you need slower cooking to break it down and you get a bigger cooking window. Fish, on the other hand, does not have long fibres. What you get with fish is a lot of short, blocky fibres. So fish proteins are much shorter. They're more like little blocks stacked together. So using these teeny boxes of raisins, I can show you. Fish proteins are more like a brick wall. Lots of short little proteins stacked up together, exactly like this, slightly overlapping. And they're joined quite weakly between them, so it's quite delicate structure. The connective tissue between the protein blocks are quite weak, so they can break and fall apart quite easily, which is why fish can be prone to collapsing. Meat proteins, like these long bundles of spaghetti here, are never going to collapse and fall apart like fish proteins can. So fish falls apart easily, it cooks fast, you get these natural flakes that you see in the fish, whereas meat with the long strands of protein like this is never going to fall apart and collapse on you. So meat has a much bigger cooking window. You know, you can go from rare steak 52 Celsius all the way up to kind of something like 100 Celsius for a brisket. Whereas fish has a much shorter cooking window. Something along the lines of about 60 Celsius is when fish is cooked. The other thing that's quite interesting to note from a cooking point of view is meat contains saturated fat, like butter. So this fat is solid at room temperature, it's solid, whereas fish has fluid, unsaturated fats, like olive oil. Fat that is liquid at room temperature. And when you think about it, it's pretty obvious why. If a fish had a solid fat like butter at room temperature, how would it move in the water? You know, it would be kind of totally rigid. But with a fluid fat like olive oil, it can flow and bend and flex, and that's how fish move. Why is that interesting in a kind of cooking terms? It's because unsaturated fluid fats are much more delicate. So what you've got with fish is these short protein blocks all stacked up, weakly connected together with fluid fats running between them. That all adds up to a protein that has a very, very quick cook time, that is delicate and prone to falling apart. Whereas meat, you can cook it a whole breadth of different times and ways, and it ain't ever going to fall apart. So that's the difference between meat protein and fish protein, and a little bit about why it matters.